I'm here today with Marlene, a client. I just want to ask you a few questions about your reverse mortgage. How long's it been since you had yours or received it?
About 2 years.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah, about 2 years. Yeah. Very simple. Very, very simple, easy process. I had my son here when we filled out all the papers and everything, and I get a statement once a month, and it shows me where I'm at, and also I get a statement where if I want to pull some money out, and which is a very simple process, and it seems very simple to me. So.
Why did you decide to get a reverse mortgage?
Well, my husband passed away, 36 years ago, and the money has kind of run out from the insurance policies, and I put 4 kids through college, and they don't have any debt in that, so the money has kind of run out, so I thought, well, this is what I'm going to have to do. So it, like I say, was a very simple process, and I talked it over with my kids, and they all thought it was a good idea.
What would you say is the biggest benefit of getting the reverse mortgage?
That it paid off. The reverse mortgage paid off all my bills, which was wonderful, and now I have some money if I need it. I really don't use it that much, but if I need it, I know it's there.
Were there any surprises along the way?
Not at all.
Okay.
Not at all. It's very simple. Very simple.
Well, I appreciate your time.
Oh, my pleasure.
Thank you very much.
Okay, that was simple.